Welcome to tipmyserver.com, where our technology utilizes mobile payment opportunities to support cashless, contactless, direct tipping. Whether you are a waitress, waiter, bartender, delivery person, taxi driver, or if you are involved in any service-oriented occupation, with tipmyserver.com, you never have to miss a tip again. All you have to do is sign up and receive your free personal website and your free QR code. You can get your free account in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter your email address, name, and password. Step 2. Enter the info in which you would like displayed: your username, your image, and your personal caption. Step 3. Let the system automatically generate your free personal website and your free QR code image that you can display on your phone or print off. Then you're done. When you start receiving tips, you will automatically be notified by email of all your digital tips you receive. Your information is always secure. Start now to receive more tips more easily, because good service deserves fair tipping. tipmyserver.com